The final boss says, how do you see Token Metrics navigating through a bear market compared to a bull market? Is it even worth investing during a bear market? Yes, absolutely. I mean, buy low, sell high. So some of the best investments happen in a bear market because technically you should be buying in a bear market and selling in a bull market, right? Buy low, sell high. Or as framed by one of my favorite investors of all time, Howard Marks, you want to buy from pessimists. You want to buy from people who think this is going to zero, because that's when you get the best discounts. And then you want to sell to optimists, people who think this is going to the moon and beyond, right? That's how you buy low, sell high. So in bear market, you can find those true hidden gems, right? So for example, lots of projects have launched in a bear market. So that's why I think you never want to be fully out of the market. You want to still be in it. Now, you might slow down how often you invest, but you still want to be researching and finding those projects.
Token Metrics is a cryptocurrency investment platform that helps users leverage machine learning to become better crypto investors. Our in-depth analysis helps eliminate the emotions of investing, find profitable investment opportunities, and filters out scams. Learn more at tokenmetrics.com.